Good morning, class. Let me introduce myself. My name is Haikal Budiawan. I'm gonna bring a topic: well-being in household. So the topic is how important parenting in household. My research background is founding the parenting. What is parenting and why I'm choosing parenting? It's because parenting is a fundamental of have a successful and well-being family or in a household. I have three formulations. My first formulation is how important parenting is, and the second is how to learn about parenting, and the third is implementation in real life before marriage. How important parenting is, like before what I said, important parenting is because we need to have a good fundamental on having a family in a household. And parenting is not always about from a biologically parent. It's about our grandparent, our siblings, our cousin, our nephew. It's an important key too for having a good parenting or well-being household. And how to learn about parenting? We can learn from online website. We can learn from reading the books. We can learn from our parents. And the implementation in real life before marriage. It's not always about parent. It's always about the child too. Because we have not married yet, we can support our family, which being a good kid for our parent. So my research object is my first object is my people nearby. The second object is based on online website. The formulation of the problem is point of view, my people nearby about parenting. From my family, from my parents, officially, it's like parenting is always giving a support, always giving a good environment, a healthy environment to our family. Support their mental health, support their life, social life, support their school, also, of course. And the second formulation is based on online website. What is about parenting? Parenting is about supporting their life, supporting their social life, and giving the best what can we have. And implementation in real life for marriage, from my point of view, is always about giving the best thing for our family, and we must to see what our family needs. We must to see what we need. We must to complete our partner. We must to complete our family from what their needs. So the conclusion is, for me, from the survey, from the things that I have been searching for, it can be concluded the majority of our Gen Z members have a high awareness of parenting and how important of the parenting is and the role of the parents in their life. Because even though the Gen Z is more independent, is more open-minded, we more see what the parenting is, they still see their parent as very important figure in their life too. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you for listening.